So what's the purpose in using mirrors as a portal? The mirror is a double etheric in the astral plane. With the mirror, you can make the spiritual veil become thin, thinner as it would be with another gadget, spiritual gadget. That's why you have in movies the mirror as a portal, the mirror as a window for ghosts. And actually, it is true. The mirror, it reflects the world of illusion. It is physical world, it's not the real world, it's a dream. The physical world, it is outside. The physical world, it is the spiritual. Everything you see with your physical eyes is a reflection of the spiritual world and a reflection of your inner world. Then, when you understand that through the mirror, you can shape this dream. You can manifest and shape this dream. That's why when you connect trances with a mirror and eye sense, it becomes easier to visualize what you want and to manifest in this world your desires. That's why we light a candle on the left side and on the right side. So you can bring the manifestation with balance. And when you have balance, things can move faster. Imagine the tire of a car. Imagine if instead of a circle geometry, you got a triangle. Your car would be like the Flintstones car. It would be not wise to do that. The same with all the steps that I taught you in this video. If you want to learn more and get deeper, don't forget, don't waste your time and send me a direct message right now, a DM, so you can contact me directly. Ordre chaotique,